So today we are going to use browser use, which is an agent which is going to control my laptop today. Okay, so browser use is a like agent which controls your laptop, and and you give an LLM an access to explore the web. So basically, you give an instruction and it explores itself.
Okay.
So this is browser use, and to use it, it's a GitHub repo. It's not deployed anywhere. So if you want to install this, you don't need to have any coding experience. You just go into ChatGPT, you turn on search, and then you give the link and tell me how to download.
That's how you figured out, right?
Yeah, download browser use. And there's a lots of like you can it's a lot good when you have ChatGPT. So tell me how to download browser use. And you also you give the browser use GitHub repo, and you also give the browser use web UI. So basically the browser use is the agent, and the web UI basically gives you a website where you can control it, like your launchpad. So, and the web UI using the terminal, okay? And then you can write your OS, like Mac OS, Windows. So if I write Windows, it will search the web, it will search the repo, it will take all the instructions and it will give me.
So that's the first step.
Yeah, no, this is actually
The entire
first
step.
and the last step.
Okay.
So basically, once you're done, you're 90% done with everything. So it will tell you all the instructions you need to do over here. And if you have any questions or you get any error somewhere, you can just give the error. Then what you have to do is, in the last, it will give you something. Yeah, all this. So now I'll go here to my desktop, and you can see the agent browser over here. Can you see my desktop? Here, I'm just going to go ahead and open up my command prompt. So if the guys for downloading, now if you want to run this, see what you'll have to do. So you have to open your terminal or your CMD. And then what you need to do, so ChatGPT has gave you the instructions, right? You need to put all the things it tells you into this command prompt or the terminal, Mac OS or like Windows or Linux or whatever. And then you put this here, and then you ask, and then access the web interface by navigating to localhost 7860. So localhost means, mom, if you don't know localhost, localhost is basically where you go ahead and it locally runs a website or it locally runs an app on your computer. It's not deployed on the web, but on your computer it's deployed. So that's called localhost. Okay.
Okay.
That basically, in simple words, that deploys something on your machine and no one else can see it. It's
All
just
right.
until your laptop is on. So right now, if I open localhost, it can't reach because this is not on over here. Okay, so it stopped, so I have to go Control C, and I'll have to run this again.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just do that. I'll run this, which ChatGPT has told me to run, and then it will open my port up, and now it's running. So it will tell me that okay, it started running, and then I can put it up. Okay. So now it will run my agent locally on my browser, and I have not deployed it. That means localhost. You got a more better understanding, right? Okay. I'm just waiting for it. I think it has done it has done this. So if I just refresh this, let's see. Okay, so I guess it's still like loading up. So basically, it's just locally running it, so it takes some time. 7 7 7 8 8. Okay. 7 7
8 8.
8 8.
You've written 7
Oh,
1.
I 7 1. Okay. 7 7 8 8. And there you go. It's opened up. Can you see this thing? Can you see it?
Yes.
So we have browser use. So after it installed and after you put the command I told you just now to put, you have browser use running. Okay. Now
Which took around 10 minutes to do.
Yeah. Like if you're going to go ahead and download, and if you don't have Python and all installed, it's going to take about 15-20 minutes. And you need the latest Python, and right now the latest Python is let me just see, because this is a really important step that you need to have the latest Python. Yeah, Python. You just go to python.org, and then so when this video has been like when this video was being recorded, it was 3.13.1. So you need this now to run browser use. Okay, that's the initial step. If you're getting any errors, and so here's the other main part, which is called LLM configuration, where you go ahead and you select your LLM. For this case, we're going to go to Gemini because it's a free model, and for trial we can use this. You can also use DeepSeek.
Okay.
For now, we are going to use Gemini, and you put Gemini, and then you put your API key. So I'll show you where you get your API key from. You basically what you do is you go to aistudio.google.com and you just click on get API key, and then you choose Gemini API over here, and then you go ahead and you create the API key. Then it will tell you that you can copy the API key. Then you copy, you paste it. So I'll just do that really quick, and I just generate an API key over here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I showed you the process of how you get the API key. Once you got the API key, you just paste it here. And you can also control the temperature of the randomness in model outputs. So in simple words, this means that how much your like you can expand the creativity of your LLM, or you can also decrease the creativity. So right now it's at 1, not like 2. Not going to do anything much to it
Because you don't want it to start performing something more creative.
When it's more creative, it's more unpredictable, right?
Correct.
So here you don't need to touch the agent settings. They're already done. Browser settings also, you don't need to do much. This is the other main part, which is the final step. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you to buy a Dove soap bar, and I'm just going to put my login credentials over here in this blank space. Like I will put my email and I will define my password, and then let's see. I'll put my email and password. And started like a new browser session, and let's see what it does. It's just opening up browser. It's just opening up Amazon. Taking some time to open it up. Okay, it opened up Amazon.in. It's opening. Okay, let's see. I have my hands here. I'm not doing anything. It's opening up Amazon. I don't know, it's taking some time to find Amazon over here. Right, Mom? Oh my god. I think it's going to sign in right now. So yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's going to sign in or not. My hands are here, so I'm not doing anything. The browser use is doing everything that you're seeing. I think it's gonna go here. So basically, what it's doing now, it's finding all the CSS, the buttons, and now it's going to read what all buttons do at this time, and it's going to press a button which is relevant to what it should do. So here, as you can see, it has highlighted the hello sign in because it's written sign in, and it is read like that is relative because it needs to sign in, and right now we're not signed in. So now it's going to put my email inside. So it's saying that it's written enter mobile number or email, and now it's going to fetch the email from the prompt, and now it's going to put it here. So that's what it's doing. Now it has searched for the typing box, and it's putting the Gmail inside. Wow, that's really nice. Like it's putting the email, and now it's clicking on continue now, I think. Yeah. Now it's asking the password. Let's see if it can put the password or not. Okay. I think it's going to type the password in. Okay, mom, you're in shock, right?
I literally can't believe this, man.
Okay, now it's putting the password in. Now it's going to sign in. I don't know. Oh, it signed in. Wow. It's also showing like hello. And yeah, that's really nice. Let's see if it can search for the Dove soap bar which we have given. My hands are paining and sweating.
Come on, search for it.
Yeah, it is. I think it heard your command and it highlighted the search box. Now search for the Dove soap bar. Now press enter. Didn't you listen to me? Press enter. Yes, sir. I will press enter. Sir, I don't have enter. Okay, now it has searched for Dove soap bar.
Finally.
Now let's see. I told select one. I didn't tell what you should particularly select. Now it's going to open up his CSS book to see what buttons it can choose from. Open your CSS list now. Browser use. It actually listens. So it added it to the cart.
Oh, that's great. Finally.
It added 2. Oh no.
And the order thing is 1002. Why did it select 2?
No idea. I think even it wants it for himself. Itself. Like even clean my code up. It's saying to its owner.
So the essential part
Came to the cart. This is eligible for free delivery. And it's
pack of 7.
Oh, wait. So we have 14 soaps coming to our house today. Like not today, in some days.
Check out.
Oh my god, it's scared. Next step.
So it can go and check offers also.
Oh, wait. Okay, it got. Oh, pay on delivery. Oh my god. 7th Feb. Today is 4th Feb. Oh, I have to wait 3 days for 24 hours moisturizing bathing bath. Now this is the real scary part. Ooh, order got placed. You must have got a mail by now.
Not yet, but might get fast.
My hand was up. Like it placed an order, and we got 14 soap bars. 24-hour moisturizing.
Got the order.
Yes. In the prompt, and so I'll show you other parts. So you have the results, and where it will give you the video, your recording of what's happened. And you also have like all your recordings over here, like the recordings. Yeah, so this is it. You can play more with the LLM configuration. Now I'm going to try something else, and I'm going to put the temperature to fully 2, and I'm going to see what happens. We'll also have a tutorial about that. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Adi, for sharing this tutorial. It was really helpful, and I think it's going to really help anyone who wants to try it. Thank you so much.
Welcome, bye. Peace.
Thank you, Adi, for being so patient.